Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to clean water in Planet Zoo. Over time, ponds and other water sources can become dirty if they're left untreated. If you're new to the game, this is something you'll want to keep an eye on, as dirty water can lower your animals' welfare and even make them sick. To keep your water clean, you'll need to build a water treatment facility. Click the Facilities button at the bottom center of your screen, then select Utilities from the category panel on the left. There you'll find the water treatment building. Select it and place it in your zoo. As you position it, a heat map will appear showing its coverage area. Make sure it's within range of the habitats with ponds or other water sources that need cleaning. It also needs to be within the range of a power transformer, so don't forget to connect it with a path and place it where your mechanics can easily access it for maintenance. Once it's up and running, any water source within its coverage area will gradually be cleaned, helping keep your animals healthy and improving their overall welfare. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.